How to make a better vacuum bag. Make it with high barrier rate, efficient evaluation, and more affordable? 16 years ago, Owen had been asked the same question. After hard work, Owen led the team, overcame various difficulties, developed a product with more advantages in design and functions, and mastered independent intellectual property rights. As a result, Argion was established and dared to advance in the field of vacuum technology, never stopping on the road to meet customer needs. Located in Guangzhou, China, Argion is only a 20-minute drive from the famous China import and export fair, the Canton Fair. Covering an area of 23,000 square meters, Argion integrates research, development, and manufacturing. The highly innovative team is committed to providing comprehensive and professional storage and food processing solutions. Argion continuously strengthens its R&D strength. Gradually established an R&D center with more than 40 engineers and a test center. In the fields of vacuum packaging and sous vide, Argion has continued to dive down deeply and has mastered dozens of patented technologies. For more than 10 years, Argion has injected humanities into technology and gradually developed into a world-renowned research and development institution and manufacturer in vacuum technology. In corporate management, Argion values the harmonious development of individuals and organizations, values the scientific governing methods of modern enterprises, and achieves seamless cooperation with global partners. While providing solutions for customers in the past decade, Argion has cultivated a mature and stable team and accumulated rich industry experience. From top to bottom, Argion has established a structured OEM and ODM customized ecosystem to ensure clear processes, standardized operations, and controllable results. Argion cooperates with Metro, Cabela's, and other more than 300 brands, sells products in 68 countries and regions globally, serving millions of users worldwide. In addition to the persistent pursuit of product excellence, Argion also hopes to bring users a healthier, interesting, and flavorful user experience. Argion focuses on the vacuum technology and has developed hundreds of household and commercial vacuum sealers, more than 1,000 specs of vacuum bags, more than 60 sous vide cookers, and more than 30 blast freezers. Because of the unique functions and first-class quality of the products, Argion obtained multiple certifications and has sold internationally, benefiting commercial users and families all over the world. Customer satisfaction is always on Argion's pursuit. Argion also pays great attention to social responsibility, including caring for employees and environmental protection. Argion not only obtains ISO certificates, but also pays great attention to social responsibility, including caring for employees and environmental protection. Can vacuum cooking be simpler? Can vacuum bag be more friendly to the earth? Can vacuum storage change revolutionarily? Today's imagination, tomorrow's achievement. Exploring the future, Argion never stops.